honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter just got in. It's 6:02. So I had to rush in and fix something to eat right quick. I ain't had nothing all day. So I had bought some ground beef. So I said I'll throw some hamburgers in the Ninja Foodie extra large grill. So I cooked me 2 hamburgers and a handful of fries. Walter's going to eat the red beans and rice and beef brisket that I fixed yesterday. He wants some real food. Well, I'm going to show y'all my plate, but I just want to check in with you today. I have my mask on and my lipstick is all over my chin. Okay, I got Miracle Whip, I got cheese, I got salad, and some red onion slices on my burgers, and some seasoned fries with ketchup. So this is what I'm eating today, and I have to hurry up because I feel bad when I need to eat. I don't know why I do this to myself. So this is my thumbnail. So I want to thank you for watching this little short, brief video, and give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.